So hi, we're from NYU AD, and I am Maria Jaramillo.
This is D1D.
I'm Abdul Sami.
And our project is from the assistive technology and accessibility category. And basically, we wanted to tackle a problem that in our university it's sometimes hard to find a study room. So we would have to walk around only to find out that they're all occupied, and it's quite time-consuming and tedious. So our website basically tackles that problem by telling you which study rooms are occupied and which study rooms are not. So basically, if you access our website and you see that a room is unoccupied, you can simply go to that room, and in the room there will be a QR code. So if I scan this QR code and I refresh the website, right? And I refresh the website, the room will now appear as occupied. And you can just log out by just scanning the QR code again. And now it is unoccupied. Some people leave their things in the study room for the entire day. So we want to prevent this by making if you don't log out, you will be logged out automatically after an hour. If you want to prevent this, you will get a notification saying that you're about to be logged out. And if you don't scan the QR code again, the room will now appear as available. This will make people be in the room if they want to make it occupied. We also have a feature that if some Android phones cannot scan a QR code, so you have a feature in which we can scan. So this way, everyone will be able to scan.
So right now I just scanned in room 404 and it now says room 404 is occupied. I scan it again. Oops. And now room 404 is unoccupied. So
Okay.
for those of you who do not have iPhones, you can use an Android phone and use our inbuilt scanner to do the scanning of QR code. So with regards to the technology that we've used for this project, we decided to create a website, and the technologies used behind it is HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Express Node, and Node.js. And the site was deployed on Heroku. And to configure the QR code scanner, we thought that this would be our biggest hurdle. And it turns out there were quite a few open APIs that we could use, and after configuring one of those APIs, we were able to interface it in such a way that it could pass our content from the client side to the server, process it, and update the list in real time. So for future development,
Yeah, so we're planning to deploy this in the future actually for the users in our university. So we are looking for two future development. The first is we want to improve the user interface, which is actually making it a map instead of a list of room numbers. So users will go into the website and look at the map of the occupied status of the library study rooms. And the second feature we are going to improve is now when after 50 minutes, you are automatically logged out and you are sent a notification via this website. But we want to make it that when you log in, you put in your net ID or email, so when 50 minutes passed, you will receive a notification on your email or SMS, so you will be notified more conveniently.
and another key idea that we had in mind is we can't just stop at the library. Our app has to be extendable. And for that reason, the proof of concept that it can be extendable, as shown in our submission post, is that we can extend this to example the 2 floors of parking lots we have at NYU Abu Dhabi. And if you know NYU Abu Dhabi, you'd know that finding a parking space is a mess. And similarly, we could have the same application show you which parking slots are available. And for example, there are a bunch of game rooms in the 2nd floor of Campus Center. And once again, those get occupied really quick. So if you want to check if a game room is unoccupied or not, once again, you could use this app. And the idea is that even though we build something for one project, it should be made in such a way that it's extendable so that it can be used for a wider reach. For example, we could take this out of campus, for example, to a restaurant and check if you have vacant tables and so on and so forth. And thus we believe that our project is indeed something that could go a very, very, very long way. Thank you, and hope you've had a nice day.